Hey, what is up guys, Akarsh here back with another video, and today we are going to organize some wires. We are going to make this type of wire spool rack. This consists of 12 wire spools which I will use to organize wires in my lab. So this is the wire spool. It's easy to take out wires from this. They remain organized and untangled. So we'll make it using scrap materials, waste materials. So let's get started. So let's get started in making this. Basically, we'll first see the materials needed. I had a leftover wooden ply piece with me, so first things first, ply. For the outside border of this wire organization, we will need a size of approximately 70 centimeter by 5 centimeter, that one piece. Secondly, we would need a PVC pipe, plastic pipe or anything like rigid thing. Here it is. So this is a 2.5 centimeter, I guess, 2.5 centimeter dia pipe. 3, we would need smaller pipes like this. I chose this because it has a rim like this which can fit in easily. So a solid pipe which is 15 centimeter in length, and these we need 3 of them. We need some cardboards and stuff, so we need some cardboards.
12 seconds later.
So this is what I ended up with. So the dimensions of this will be, the length of this base would be 14 centimeter. The height of this would be 21 centimeters, and I've made these marks 3.5 centimeters apart each.
So this is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, piano 3.5, or 3.5.
And so on. So these are types of slabs which we will not be making, just imaginary. Again, at this side also, this is 3.5, this is 3.5, this is 3.5, this is 3.5. So there we go. So these are 3.5 marks each, and these would extend up. I'll make these marks complete. So this is how it would look. So these would be wooden or cardboard planks like that. Yes, like that and like that. So there would be 3 cardboard planks, a wooden frame of this type, and we would insert these into places here. So basically we will have holes here,
Here, and somewhere here, here. Okay, here.
So these would be the holes, and this thing would go like this. There would be 4 partitions. We would cut the PVC pipe, roll wires onto it, and that would be awesome. And that's what the plan is all about. There would be 3 such rods. There would be 4 cardboard, a frame like this is the ply frame, a rectangle frame, and these are cardboard sections with holes in it. The rod would go this side, there would be wires, and life would be happy.
Yay!
So that's let's mark these on the plywood, and let's start.
A few inches later.
Marking the pieces first, you will need a piece of plywood 5 cm wide, from which you will get 2 pieces of 14 cm and other 2 pieces of 21 cm each. Moving on to the PVC pipe, mark the pipe for 12 pieces of 3 cm each. Now extend the marks so that while cutting the pipe it comes out to be straight. After marking is done, now use a hacksaw or similar cutting tool to cut the ply to get the 4 pieces. Then cut the PVC pipe along the marks. I found an old piece of thin cardboard and marked it for 3 strips. 5 cm wide and 21 cm long. Then I used a paper cutter to cut out the cardboard strips. Now according to our plan, we need to drill out holes for these rods on the plywood. These are the parts that will stand vertically in the rack, and we need to drill holes in all these 5 strips. Mark the 3 holes with the help of a ruler 3.5 cm from the bottom and the next few marks 7 cm apart. You will need to repeat the same exercise for all of these now. After marking was done, I used a set square and a scale to precisely extend the marks for all these strips. Mark a line in the center of these strips. Now mark holes at the intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. After marking the holes on the intersection for all the 5 strips, place something below the marked hole and drill out the marked area using a drill and a suitable drill bit. After that is done, collect all the parts. Mark lines on the 14 cm long ply strips 3.5 cm apart. We used hot glue to stick the pieces together. We also painted the side strips for aesthetic purposes and left the cardboard strips as is. Moving to the main assembly, the side ply strip will go on the base like this, and for the other side like this. The main rods will go through one side and will come out from the other side in a similar fashion. I added hot glue on the sides of the base ply and stuck the side ply on the top of it. Similarly, I stuck the entire structure together off camera, and this is the result, which seems fine to me. The main rods will go through the structure like this. I wrapped a wire on one piece of the PVC pipe and it goes into the spool holder like a charm. I then filled up the entire rack and added some cardboard strips in front so that drawing wire from the rack is easier. Also, I added paper discs on the side of the PVC pipe spools. And there you go guys, the spool rack is ready and loaded to assist you in your future projects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't till now. Hit the bell icon to get notified when we release a new video.